Number 1. 1970 Chevrolet C10 6500ers, Redding, California. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a strong driver quality pickup, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Despite a dent on the driver's rear bedside, the truck runs and drives well and features a freshly upholstered seat costing $1,000, new door seals, and recent maintenance such as an oil change and fuel filter replacement. The clean cab condition makes this truck a great candidate for restoration or to enjoy as is, a solid California survivor that's becoming increasingly rare. Number 2. 1970 Ford F100 V8, $7,500, Morgan Hill, California. This 1970 Ford F100 offers genuine patina appeal combined with practical usability. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it benefits from new tires, brakes, and a carburetor. The truck drives straight and currently serves as a ranch hauler, showing it's reliable and functional. With a clean title and recent mechanical updates, this F100 embodies rugged American charm with plenty of life left for weekend cruising or light-duty work. Number 3. 1973 Ford F250 StyleSide, $8,500, Henderson, Nevada. A sturdy workhorse, this 1973 Ford F250 comes with a fuel-injected 460 engine. Not original, but offering excellent power and drivability. It shows 82,183 miles and an automatic transmission. Although it needs a fresh battery and tune-up after sitting idle, its overall condition makes it a promising project for enthusiasts looking for classic Ford muscle in a full-size pickup. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet Shortbox Stepside, $7,500, Winston, Montana. This 1970 Chevrolet Stepside blends vintage styling with modern comfort. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 and automatic transmission, it includes power steering, a tilt wheel, and dual exhaust. With 174,000 miles, it presents well for its age and delivers that iconic short bed profile collectors love. Perfect for weekend shows or restoration upgrades. Number 5. 1975 Toyota Hilux Pickup Long Bed, $6,500, Sacramento, California. A rare survivor, this 1975 Toyota Hilux Long Bed is an excellent example of Japanese reliability. Featuring a 4-cylinder R20 engine and 5-speed manual transmission, it runs smoothly and is exempt from smog testing. With only 26,500 miles, new shocks, fresh spark plugs, and tires in good condition, it's a great candidate for collectors seeking a vintage import truck in original condition. Number 6. 1982 GMC K2500, $13,500, Van Buren, Arkansas. This 1982 GMC K2500 is a lifted 4x4 with rugged presence. Sporting a 350 small block engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it rides on 37-inch tires with a 6-inch lift. The Reno liner wrap adds durability and a custom touch. For a 43-year-old truck, it's in impressive shape and ideal for off-road enthusiasts who appreciate classic American heavy-duty style. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet C30, $15,000, Carmel, California. This low-mileage 1988 Chevrolet C30 4x4 stands out for its originality and utility. Showing only 7,000 miles, it comes equipped with fire equipment and remains fully operational. Its manual transmission and solid V8 powertrain highlight the dependable engineering of late 1980s Chevrolet trucks, a rare find in such well-preserved condition. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet K30, $12,000, Espanola, New Mexico. A fully refreshed example, this 1982 Chevrolet K30 one-ton 4x4 underwent extensive refurbishment, including new body panels, detailed engine bay, rebuilt carburetor, and new interior components. Its 65,000-mile engine paired with a manual transmission and hydro boost brake system ensures robust performance. With its attention to detail and classic styling, it's ready for both show and work. Number 9. 1978 GMC Stepside, $14,000, Huntsville, Arkansas. This 1978 GMC Stepside is a frame-up rebuild featuring an LS motor and vintage air system. Despite minor storm damage, its rust-free body, new dash pad, and fresh upholstery make it nearly complete. With its combination of modern performance and classic looks, it's a solid value for anyone seeking a turnkey custom truck. Number 10. 1964 Ford F250, $13,000, San Diego, California. This bright red 1964 Ford F250 presents in excellent condition inside and out. With its V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it drives beautifully and holds current California registration. As a clean, rust-free classic, this F250 captures the mid-century Ford work truck spirit while offering reliability and vintage charm. Number 11. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino, $14,927, Phoenix, Arizona. An exceptional survivor, this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino retains 99% originality with minimal modifications. It features a freshly rebuilt 327 small block and 700R Ford transmission, factory 12-bolt rear end, and power steering. With its beautiful patina and straight body, it's a top-tier collectible for enthusiasts seeking authenticity and mechanical excellence. Number 12. 1951 Chevrolet Truck, Seattle, Washington. This 1951 Chevrolet truck blends classic hot rod flair with reliability. Fitted with a 350 V8 and turbo 350 transmission, it includes numerous new parts such as wiring, brake components, and a vintage air heater. With its GMC grille and updated mechanicals, this cool old Chevy is ideal for vintage truck fans who want turnkey dependability. Number 13, 1956 Ford F100, $18,500, Hamilton, Montana. This 1956 Ford F100 combines vintage style with modern performance, powered by a fuel-injected 5.3-liter Chevrolet V8 and automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include brakes, radiator, exhaust, and lighting. It runs strong with plenty of power, making it a great cruiser that blends old-school looks with reliable modern drivability. Number 14, 1995 Chevrolet Silverado, $500, Reno, Nevada. Offered as a parts truck, this 1995 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab has no title, but features a 5.7-liter V8, automatic transmission, and 4-Wajah-D. With 200,000 miles and missing glass, it's best suited for restoration donors or mechanical components, a budget-friendly option for builders or parts seekers. Number 15, 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 400 CID, $18,500, Peyton, Colorado. This 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super has been tastefully restored and serves as a dependable daily driver. Featuring a 400 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission, it's been carefully updated with modern safety touches like hidden rear view camera and 3-point seat belts. Beautifully maintained, this long bed Cheyenne is a premium example of early 1970s Americana. Number 16, 1972 Chevrolet C20, $19,000, Clovis, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 is a highly refreshed example with comfort upgrades like air conditioning, Bluetooth, power windows, and electric door locks. With only 4,000 miles since rebuild, nearly every component has been renewed. A turnkey classic that offers the best of both eras, timeless style and modern convenience. Number 17, 1989 Ford F-150, $19,999. Yuma, Arizona. This fully restored 1989 Ford F-150 looks nearly showroom new. Featuring a 5.0-liter V8 with 5-speed manual and 4-wheel bed, it shows only 35,000 miles. With fresh paint and top mechanical condition, it's valued at around $25,000. Only the headliner and seat upholstery need finishing. A collector-grade late 80s Ford pickup. Number 18. 1989 Ford F350 CrewCab Dually, $16,000, Corona, California. A workhorse in excellent condition, this 1989 Ford F350 CrewCab Dually with 7.5-liter V8 and rear-wheel drive has only 94,000 original miles. It features a new E4OD transmission under warranty and runs flawlessly. With its durability, comfort, and documented maintenance, it's an exceptional heavy-duty classic ready for towing or collection.